Hello everyone, welcome to the tour of Stagewise Quotations. Let's have a look how it helps to streamline the whole quotation lifecycle. At a glance, we can see various status of the quotations assigned to us and we can accordingly decide the next action. These tasks are called tasks specifically because of the team collaboration and approval workflows involved. Let's have a look at the unique features they have to offer. We can navigate to the Quotations module on the left and open an existing quotation task or directly open one from the dashboard. This section here has all the information related to this task like customer name, handler info, project info, etc. We can add information regarding the task here in the chat or tag an employee to take note of something. Now let's move on to create the quotation by clicking on Work on Quotation. When adding line items, we will see 4 different categories to choose from. A label helps us to give a heading to a section of quotation to make it more understandable. Bundles is a unique feature where we can define a template which is a combination of different category of products and we can choose products from that category to create a whole system. Now we have a client requirement and we have multiple products for the same. What do we do now? Don't worry, Stagewise has a solution for that too, and that is option groups. Give multiple options to the client and let the client choose what he wants. Product enables us to choose from all the products for sale in our inventory. Let us quickly add a product. This is the preview of the description of the product and we can change it on the go. Now, do we want to add a discount? Sure, let's give 5% and let's only show the amount here and not the percentage. Let's choose the company and the payment method we want to add in the quotation. There is a section for terms and conditions which will appear when we choose the company. And guess what? This is configurable too. There are multiple checkboxes here too. Let me quickly walk you through these. The introduction is the content which will appear on the first page of the quotation. Promotion is the content which you want to attach with the quotation. Product images are the line items images in the quotation. Quote total is the total amount of the quotation. This, make sure if you want to include tax information. This here shows the discount column if you want to show. If you want to round the prices, check this box. And if you want to show the payment details selected, check the last one. The quotation is now ready. Easy, wasn't it? The quotation PDF is generated now. We can see the introduction content here, the line items on the second page, the payment details and the terms and conditions, the promotion content, and the product images on the last page. Let's send it for approval. We can customize the approval flow as well. For example, add approvals for quotations worth more than a specific amount or add another approval in the chain for checking technical details. You will see there is a version control also. If there is an iteration of the quotation, the system will automatically label it as the second version while submitting, and we can easily toggle between the versions. Once it is approved, the status of the quotation will change to ready. We can mark it as sent to customer, customer accepted, or customer rejected as and when necessary. You can also add if you want to follow up with the client and select the mode of communication too. These are just a few glimpses of what Stagewise Quotation has to offer. You can also procure all the quotations with a particular product in it. As a manager, you can also check the product performance in a given period or the salesman performance in a given period related to all the quotation tasks. Did you notice how seamless everything was? These are only just a few of the many features Stagewise Quotations has to offer. Stagewise. Scale your business stage by stage.